shoots a lot of fire. I've been waiting since January to do this. Took way too long. I didn't think it would take this long for this thing to get here. It was supposed to be here by summer. We are pretty much in fall now, but I finally got it. My boring company, not a flamethrower. Let's open this thing up. Now, first impressions, the box is a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. This thing looked pretty big online, so I figured the box would be a lot heavier, but I think the shipping label said it was only 13 pounds. The product box is pretty cool looking. It's just a diagram of the not a flamethrower on the front of it. Nothing too extreme. I mean, it's pretty basic, but it still looks cool. All white all the way around. Okay, so inside we have a legend that shows all the pieces to it, what everything is, and then there's some paperwork in here. First, this one, it has a $5 bill attached to it. Dear not so boring customer, the lawyers have spoken, and due to shipping restrictions, we can't mail your glorious propane fuel. To make it up to you, we've included some cold hard cash so that you can stroll down to your local store and stock up on some nice C3H8. So that's pretty cool. I mean, I don't think they really knew what they were doing when they started out with this. They didn't know what they were and weren't allowed to ship. They even had to change the name of this. Let's get this out of the way. It is not a flamethrower. It shoots a flame less than 10 feet. If you listen to Elon Musk's podcast with Joe Rogan, he clearly says
it's actually just a roofing torch with an air rifle cover. It's not a real flamethrower.
But yeah, they had to change the name because they couldn't ship it to some areas. But it's nice that they included the $5 to go buy some propane fuel for it. Here's the instruction manual. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh my god. This is incredible. It looks like something on Halo. Even has a serial number on it right here. You attach the propane cylinder up top and hook it in this way. Got a nice stock. It actually feels pretty sturdy. I thought this would be kind of flimsy. There's some flex to the plastic, but it seems like it could withstand some decent use. This really is just an air rifle case. It even has the slot for the magazine on the bottom. You have the spot where the select fire switch was. But damn if it doesn't look cool. I mean, you're not going to be able to really use the stock because there's going to be a giant propane tank right here, but it all fits together pretty nice. Trigger is interesting. It just feels elasticated. I mean, all you're doing is increasing fuel flow when you press it, so I didn't expect it to kind of have that same trigger feel as a real gun would, but you have your igniter right here, and then you can turn up your fuel with this knob right here. I don't know if it was worth $500, but just the fact that there's a limited supply of these, I think they made 20,000. I don't know if the serial numbers start from 1 and go up, but if they do, I must have got one of the very last ones because my serial number is 19,111. Okay, let me see if I can get this on camera here. It says flamethrower, but just above it, it looks like they just tacked on not a right above flamethrower. Version 001. I wonder if that means there will be future versions.
Are you going to do another run?
No?
No, that's it.
Yes.
Well, now I guess I'm going to the hardware store and trying to get some propane because I want to see this thing shoot. Alright, time to test this thing out. I went to Lowe's and just picked up a 14.1 ounce propane canister. Alright, once that's connected, you slide it into the sleeve here. Then you can open up the valve. It shoots a lot of fire. This thing is so crazy. Oh, it shoots a lot of fire. Okay. Yeah, this is crazier than I thought it was going to be. So that does it for the Boring Company Not a Flamethrower. Should you buy one of these? That's up to you. It's $500. Is it worth $500? Probably not. Could you make one for less than that? Probably so. And are you going to be able to find one secondhand for $500? No way. People are already selling these for double and triple what they originally sold for because there is a limited run and they all sold out. So I think it's pretty cool to have. It's not really useful in any way. If you want to light a bonfire, I guess that'd be a cool way to do it. Other than that, display piece, conversation piece. This thing shoots a lot of fire, like way more fire than I expected it to. It'll be really fun at some parties. So anyway, that's going to do it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. If you want to see more on my channel, I don't do a whole lot of this stuff, but I got a whole lot of cool car content. You can subscribe down below, hit like on this video if you think this is as cool as I did, and I will catch you guys next time.